This Victorian home is reimagined with bold color, rich texture, and smart use of space, balancing historic charm with modern comfort for a timeless, personal feel. Let's take a look. Emilie Fournet Interiors undertook a full restoration project on a 3-bedroom Victorian house in Dalston, East London. The goal was to infuse it with personality, color, and a sense of luxury while creating a home where a young professional couple could grow. The overall design philosophy for this Victorian property focused on harmonizing its historical bones, like original cornices, paneling, and shuttered windows, with modern aesthetics and smart design choices. The kitchen, designed by Emilie Fournet herself with the layout then taken to Devil, exemplifies a blend of functionality and unique character. In the Dalston Victorian house, the decor and design demonstrate a thoughtful balance between classic charm and contemporary living. The renovation involved transforming previously unused areas, notably converting a dead space into an office with a view of the gardens, showcasing a smart use of existing architectural features. A key element of the design throughout the house is the interplay of color and texture. It avoided a signature studio style in favor of a client-led approach that reflects the homeowner's lifestyle and personality. The bathroom, which was initially outdated, received a serious indulgence in its transformation, suggesting the incorporation of luxurious fixtures, materials, and a refined aesthetic. The careful selection of paint colors is intuitive, often based on how colors interact rather than being chosen in isolation. Emilie Fournet often favors applying one color to both walls and skirting boards while using a second, complementary shade for ceilings and other woodwork, a technique that reduces visual distractions and emphasizes period features. In the principal bedroom, a Scandinavian influence is evident, with gray paint thoughtfully highlighting the original alcove wardrobes, fireplace, skirting boards, and windows. This creates a serene and sophisticated atmosphere.